Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I hope you are as excited as I am for the most wonderful time of the year, Christmas. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the world of Christmas decor and share the ultimate Christmas decor tips and tricks for 2023. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or a newbie looking to spruce up your space, we have got you covered. So grab your favorite holiday drink, get cozy, and let's make your home a winter wonderland. Before we jump into the actual decorating, let's get started with some essential planning tips. Begin by setting a budget for your Christmas decorations. This will help you to avoid overspending and prioritize what's the most important to you. Decide on a theme for your decor. It could be traditional, modern, rustic, or even a unique theme that reflects your personality. Once you have chosen your theme, it's easier to select the suitable decorations. Make a checklist of the decorations you need, including ornaments, lights, garlands, and wreaths, and any specific item for your chosen theme. The Christmas tree is the centerpiece of your holiday decor, so let's make it spectacular. Choose a tree that fits your space and complements your theme, whether it's a real tree or an artificial one. Make it sure it's in good condition. Start with the lights, string lights evenly from the top to bottom, making sure to wave them into the branches for a magical glow. When decorating your tree, follow the inside out technique. Begin with the inside decorations such as ribbon or garland, then add larger ornaments and finish with the smaller ones. Don't forget to vary shapes and colors of an eye catching display. Crown your tree with a beautiful tree topper that suits your theme, whether it's a classic star, an angel, or something entirely unique. Create a warm welcome with a festive wreath on your front door. You can buy one or make your own with fresh or artificial materials. Adorn your mantel and staircase with lush garlands. Add in pine cones, ribbons, and other decorative elements for a cohesive look. Get creative by making your own ornaments. It's a fun activity for the family and adds a personal touch to your decor. Don't forget to repurpose old decorations or create new ones from everyday items. Mason jars, wine corks, and even old sweaters can be transformed into beautiful Christmas decor. Make sure your dining area come alive with stunning table centerpiece. Consider using candle holders, fresh flowers, or even a mini Christmas tree. Make your home shine at night with outdoor lights such as string lights, pathway lights, and illuminate yard decorations. Consider adding inflatable decorations like snowmen, reindeer, or Santa to your front yard for a playful touch. Don't forget to add wreaths and garlands to your porch, windows, and fences for a cohesive and festive look. Set the mood with Christmas scents and your favorite holiday tunes playing in the background. Hang stockings with care. Each family member can have their own personalized stocking. Finally, add personal touch to your decor. It could be framed with family photos, holidays, cards, and or sentimental ornaments. While decorating, ensure that all electrical connections are secure and not overloaded. Avoid leaving lights and decorations on when you are not at home and when you are sleeping. Safety should always be a top priority. After the holiday season, proper storage is key to keeping your decorations in good condition. Consider investing in storage containers designed for Christmas decor or use cardboard boxes with proper labeling to make next year's decorating a breeze. Use specialized ornament organizers with individual compartments to protect delicate ornaments from damage during storage. Embrace eco-friendly decor by upcycling old items. You can turn wine bottles into candle holders, repurpose wooden pallet into rustic signs, or transform scrap fabric into tree skirts. Opt for energy efficient LED lights. They not only save energy but also longer reduce waste. Incorporate natural elements like pine cones, holly, and evergreen branches into your decor. They are not only beautiful but also biodegradable and can be composted after use. Use solar powered pathways lights to create a welcoming entrance. They are energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Highlight specific outdoor features like trees or bushes with spotlights or string lights to create a captivating nighttime display. Install timers and motion sensors for outdoor lights. They ensure that your lights are on only when needed. Save both energy and money. Spread the holiday spirit by donating to a local charity or participating in a toy drive. Incorporate a donation box into your decor to encourage others to contribute as well. Coordinate with your neighbors to create a unified and dazzling display throughout your street. It's a fantastic way to build community spirit and spread joy. Light up your windows with candles to participate in the age old tradition of displaying a welcoming beacon for travelers. It's a simple yet beautiful way to share the holiday spirit. As you dive into your Christmas decorating adventure 2023, remember that it's all about making your space feel magical and warm. Whether you follow a specific theme or prefer a more eclectic approach, the key is to let your creativity shine. Christmas is a time for joy, reflection, and togetherness, and your decorations should reflect those sentiments. We hope these additional tips and tricks have provided you with even more inspiration for your Christmas decor. If you have any question, ideas, or special traditions related to your holiday decor, please share them in the comments below. We would love hearing from you and your community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our festive content. From all of us here, we wish you a Merry Christmas filled with love, laughter, and of course, beautiful decorations. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Happy decorating.